Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Yo! What's going on, fellas? Can we get Asia? Can we get the Asians to pump it, man? Let's get the Asians to pump it. Come on, let's go! Well, let's jump out of the street, man. Jump out of the street. Oh, God.
Nope.
Don't talk about Harry Potter that way. Don't you talk about Harry Potter. You serious? You really talking about Harry Potter? I can't take it. It's a bear market. You're not talking about Harry Potter that way. Listen, man. People are going nuts in this bear market, man. Listen. Everyone get along. Everyone's in the bear market, man. All right? Listen, man. Everyone's fighting and shit. Dude, come on, guys. We're all in this together. Anyways, what's going on, man? What's going on? What's going on, man? Let's go. All right, so Bitcoin back up to 20,817. Can we get a little pump coming up here for these? John said, not me, still bored. Holy moly, everyone going nuts, man. Here's the deal, man. Here's the deal. Okay? Jordan's neighbors heard him say, Asians, come on. Listen, we got the Asian market coming up. They like to do some big moves coming up here. So, can we get a big move by the Asians today? And we'll kind of see what happens, man. I love refrigerators. Nice, Ahio. Dogecoin, what's going on? Eric, what's going on? John, what's going on? Bobby, Ben, B Money, what's going on, guys? We're all in this together, man. Let's freaking get it. Let's see what happens here. Bitcoin at 20,807, but we are at a big level in the charts, which could act as a little resistance here, right? We sort of said this morning, this might be a point where Bitcoin sort of struggles with just a little bit, and we kind of struggle with it. Why? Well, I mean, you take a simple Fibonacci level from this previous swing high back up to 22,800 to the swing lows, back down to 18,100, right? That 0.618 Fibonacci level, right? And they always seem to be there. They always seem to be kind of magical. Okay, I don't know. They're sort of these magical levels. I don't know why they're magical. Does anyone know why they're magical? I don't know. It's sort of like Vitalik's boner in his pants, right? In that picture. It's sort of just magically there. I don't know. I don't know if it was photoshopped. I don't know what it is. But Bitcoin's sitting right here at this 0.618 Fibonacci, which is at 21K. So the question remains, does Bitcoin have enough juice to smack this and go back up to the 786, which is my target, by the way. My target is set 21,775 for this move up, which is also that 786 retracement, which is pretty freaking awesome when you think about it. I love how that stuff kind of pans out, you know? So, for everyone in the chat today, we're going to do this early today. We're going to do this very, very early today, all right? Vikings! We have only came so far. We have not taken enough land back from the bears to fit all of us. There is more bulls coming back onto our side. They are starting to capitulate. They are starting to FOMO and come back into the great side of the war. All right? So what do we need to do? We need to spam the swords, spam the shields in the chat so we can fight them back and go up to 21,700. Because why? Everyone wants to FOMO now. Because people didn't buy it support. But that's okay. We will take back our goats from the bears as they FOMO in to our trickery. So fight them back. Spam the swords and shields in the chat. And Bitcoin will go to $21,700 tonight. Fight like you never fought before. Alright, I'm done. Holy moly. Hard to do on the phone. Facts. Just spam sword and shields. That's what we do around here. We spam sword and shields. All right, let's go back to BTC. Oh, it's working. It's working. It's working, man. 20,864 Bitcoin trying to come back up. Obviously, be careful right here, guys. We are at that 0.618 Fibonacci level. Here's what I'm watching right here. You guys see this RSI downtrend on the hourly time frame right here? You see this? You see this? So ever since really yesterday, Bitcoin's gotten rejected from this RSI downtrend. And that's been the top of every single move, right? This move right here got topped out. This move right here got topped out. This move got right here, got topped out. And here comes Bitcoin approaching that RSI trend line again. The good thing about this consolidation, okay, is it has reset some of the smaller term time frame indicators, right? So the hourly RSI has got a nice reset. Right, 15-minute RSI has got a nice reset, which has allowed that. Now Bitcoin has enough room. If it wants to get another pump, it has enough room here. It does, right? It does. So here we go, 20,888. It's working. Here we go, man. Come on, man.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Let's see. Can't we FOMO and pretend we were there the whole time? You can. That's what most people do. I was bullish of the lows too. That's what most people do. 28,884. So let's see. If Bitcoin does break it, what do we know about RSI trend lines, guys? If Bitcoin breaks the RSI first, we should expect price action to follow. Okay, we just had the new hourly open. Obviously, be careful up here. Why? Because, as we will continue to say, Bitcoin continues just to make bearish divergence, right? It seems to not care, but we're getting higher high after higher high after higher high, after lower high, after lower high, after lower high. But it just doesn't seem to care, at least at the moment. Will this eventually play out? Probably. Does it have to play out right now? Not necessarily, right? So that's always a good thing to go by. Let me see what you guys are saying in the chat over here real quick. I pumped this baby. Nice. It's looking like the October bear market pump back from 2014 and 2018. Good. It could be. Gareth Soloway got liquidated? Oh, God. I don't think Gareth Soloway got liquidated. He might. He might have got liquidated, man. He might have got liquidated. What else is going on? Let's go check Ethereum. So Ethereum also getting some nice moves up. Look at ETH. Look at ETH, man. 1575. Ethereum also coming up. You know what's going on for Ethereum, man. You know what's going on. Hold up. What's going on for Ethereum? I think someone put in an Ethereum short. Who did? Who did? Pretty much everyone, but everyone at FTX shorting apparently. Here we go. Wow, no, my short. I've shorted like 3 times on this pump. When am I gonna learn? You know what? I haven't learned. I'm going short again. I'm shorting right now. I'm going short. I already shorted from this level, but I'm adding to my short. If Ethereum breaks 1580 through, I'm liquidated for good. No. Please don't pump again. I'm addicted to shorting. It's all I know how to do in the bear market. I'm so screwed. Shit. All right, let's see if we can liquidate Java today. Okay, Java's liquidation price is 1582. I want to get back to start trolling Java, but we can't do it yet. Let's see if it's 1582 is Java's liquidation price here. Let's see if we can get back up and test it, man. Bitcoin still chilling at 20,854. What really happened today, man? I mean, guys, the big thing that happened today, okay, was the DXY. Let's look at, I know everyone in the mother's talking about this. We've been talking about this forever, man. What was the level that we were looking to break? 110.21 on the DXY. What did we break? 110.21 on the DXY. I flipped 50K to 200 Doge. Drew, that's what I'm freaking talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about, Drew. Hold on. But we got the nice M formation forming on the DXY, and you broke the neckline of the M formation, right? So you have to look at this from that standpoint and say, okay, DXY broke down from the M formation. That's bullish for risk on assets, okay? So that deal's deal. What was the big cause of that? Obviously, the euro coming up, euro breaking the trend line we talked about the other day. As soon as this broke out, Bitcoin and altcoins started to go nuts. So happy days, man. Happy days. Let's get a little pump song in the chat. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm feeling good today. I don't know about you guys. I'm feeling really, really good. Feeling really, really good. And it seems like the pump song and the Viking are working today, man. Let's get it. Marty, what's going on? Big love to you. Thanks for helping me become a better trader. Listen, I'm not really teaching you much. My big thing is just do the opposite of what everyone says. That's it. Let's see. Java. Here we go. 20,873. Come on, BT Sizzle. Give it to him. Oh my lord. So BTC, like you said, right at that 618 Fibonacci, we gotta break that. On the daily time frame, the daily still got some room to run up, man. Right? So the daily RSI is getting up there, not terribly in a terrible position. Obviously, there is a little bearish divergence, right? And that's the problem. When you get these big pumps up, you're going to see bearish divergence across the board, right? You're going to see the lower highs coming in on the daily, and you're going to see the higher highs coming in on the RSI. So there is bearish div. We have to pay attention to that. We can't just ignore that as much as I don't want to. It is what it is. But you do still have that bearish div on the daily. Here we go, 20,903 for BT Sizzle. Come on, baby. We got to get the Asian market to pump this up, man. Wow, look at the Bitcoin. I was very bearish at the lows. I was listening to all the news, and all the doom posters would tell me there was no way Bitcoin could pump. They told me there was no way Bitcoin could go up. I listened to all the news. They were saying the same thing, and I scared myself. I don't know. Should I FOMO in now, or should I wait? I think I'm going to wait to 21,700. That seems like a good breakout point. Oh, come on, man. Come on. Oh, Lord. Java's liquidated? Oh, that was quick. That was really quick. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. Let's see. And show us the things we should be watching for. It'd be super helpful. Yeah, I would say right now, just be a little cautious, though, right? I know it's fun, and we're sort of... the troll more Jordan is starting to come back. And I really want to start trolling, like, every single day. That's what I enjoy to do. It's too early to troll, though. All right? You got to stay a little bit realistic. We're at the 618 Fibonacci, and you can't get too bullish at the 618 Fibonacci. That is resistance. Just like you can't get too bullish at support, or too bearish at support. It's kind of the opposite. Don't get too bullish at resistance. That's the name of the game. That is the name of the freaking game, my friends. But I think as we kind of jump around the charts here, I think obviously we know the levels we're kind of watching for here. At the end of the day, we know that Bitcoin has bearish divergence on many time frames, but sometimes we forget, okay, that, and we don't, no one really knows what Bitcoin's going to do next, but sometimes we freaking forget, man, all right? Because it's been so freaking long. It's a bear market until proven otherwise, but if Bitcoin wants to go up, it doesn't give a flying F about yo bearish divergence, okay? It does not give a flying F. Doesn't mean it has to go up right now, but just always keep that in mind. Every Bitcoin rally starts with Bitcoin just ignoring indicators, okay? Every single one. Last summer, 2020, everyone. Not going to say it's going to be like that, but just putting that out there. All right, so what else we got going on here? Anything else really crazy going on here in the cryptoverse? I don't really think so. I mean, Doge is the big one. Doge with a massive pump today. Up about 15% on the day, and from the lows up about 25%. So, for the Doges out in the back, can we get a little Vitalik? Because I think Vitalik owns a little Doge, man. Let's get a little Vitalik happy and clappy. And for Vitalik, obviously, we're going to have a little bit of pickle because he likes to have pickle in his pants, man. Come on. He likes a little pickle in the pants, if you know what I mean. Just a little pickle in the pants. If you haven't seen Vitalik's pickle in the pants photo, you got to check out his pickle in the pants, man. All right, so Doge, big move up to the upside. Here we go. You broke this resistance, and Doge was off to the freaking races. Breaking through the 50-day EMA, breaking through the 20 EMA, smacking the local high. All right, now Doge is approaching the next resistance level, okay, which is up in this green box up at about 7.5 cents. So that's the area that obviously we get a little cautious at. I would even be cautious at the moment for this massive green, this massive yellow candle here, which is a giant vector candle nonetheless. Just be cautious when you see a massive move up like this, because we've seen this a couple times, right? We've seen a massive move up here. It got insta-dumped right back to the downside. So if you're buying Doge at the lows, nice job. Now, it's a little bit more risky, I think, right? But hey, at the end of the day, does Doge give a flying F? No. Does Elon give a flying F? No. What does Elon have to say about this? Elon, what you got to say about this, buddy? What you got to say about this, Elon? What you got to say, buddy? Oh, hold on. Where's he? What's going on, guys? It's Elon. Guys, Dogecoin's going to the moon. I'm going to integrate Dogecoin to Twitter, and it's going to go to the absolute moon. So for all you Dogecoin suckers out there, listen, you better get in Dogecoin because it's going to go to the freaking moon, bro. All right? It's going to the freaking moon. So get ready. Strap on. It's going to go up. All right? So get ready. All right. As always, guys, Doge is up 15% in the day. That's a good time to take some profits if you were buying the lows. So nice job on that. 20,840. Good catch. But did he fix something? I can see his picture behind the chat on the TV now. Wait, what? Picture behind the chat on the TV. I don't know what you're talking about, Mike. Lord, strap on, we're going to the moon. Strap up, we're going to the moon. There you go. All right, what do we got going on? So, Jabba did get liquidated. I want to sit. All right. Before we troll Jabba, let's get above this and hold it. All right. Before we troll Jabba, because I want to go back and troll and do our thing. But I think we want to get back above that before we start trolling Jabba, man. I think we do. I think we do. What else happened today? What else happened today? Total market cap. Let's go take a look at total market cap real quick. As this wants to load here. Total market cap is trying to peak back above the 20 EMA, and this was the most awesome chart in my opinion, man. Okay, this was the most awesome chart. Here it is. Crypto Warrior said, so annoyed at myself for listening to Ben and taking a cold shower in June. Don't be taking cold showers, man. Bitcoin dominance ain't going to 70%. I will say that it ain't going to 70%. But anyways. We try to peek our head above the 20-week moving average for total market cap. That's a good sign, right? When we've done that in the past, it's been a pretty good sign. We got to get some momentum above it, but we sort of said, okay, In the previous bear market, we did the same exact thing, right? We took the lows to the highs. We retraced the 786 Fibonacci on the second leg down, right? And as that 20 moving average was approaching the 200 moving average, that's the point where Bitcoin started to go up, all right? Now, right, we haven't really gone too far yet, but this is what we did in 2018. From lows to highs, we retraced to the 786, 20 moving average approaching the 200, and then that's when Bitcoin started to move up. So, hey, take it as what you will. Every day will go on, and we'll sort of, keep it going day by day. But hey, as it stands right now, I like the looks of this. And if we look down here at the weekly RSI, you guys know I love my weekly RSI breakouts on total market cap. Look at this weekly RSI. Looks like it could be getting that breakout. Really, the only way you could kind of draw this here, if we can continue up a little bit higher this week, all right, we'll see. Then, hey, we might be getting that breakout for total market cap out of this sort of, I guess, falling wedge that's been really present since August of 2020, right? So let's see if that breaks out. That breaks out, we know that price action usually follows. Got to get the breakout, but we are approaching to that relatively fast. So that's good stuff. It's good stuff. I'll take a bear market pump. Hey, I'll take a bear market pump. We'll all take a bear market pump. Rodney, stop trolling the chat, man. Listen, it's my job to troll the chat, okay? It's my job to troll the chat, all right? And yes, Rodney, I will agree. Listen, Rodney, last week, here is everyone. There's no volume on Bitcoin. Do you see the economy? Bitcoin can't even get past 20K. It's ridiculous, man. There is no way Bitcoin can even get a small pump. There is no way, man. No way. There's no volume. Everything is so bearish right now. All right? Everything's so bearish. Russia's about to destroy Ukraine. All right? Europe's about to lose power. There's no way. And then you fast forward to today. Here's everyone today. Hold up. Strap up. We're going to the freaking moon. Guys, bull market's back. Bull market's back. Yeah, we're going. I think Bitcoin bull market is back. The bomb is in. Strap up. We're going to the moon, boys. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. One day, he said 1 day later. 1 day later. We need more pencil necks in chat. We do need more pencil necks. Guys, where's my bearish trolls? I need more bearish trolls to be slightly more bullish. I don't like that there's not that many bearish trolls in the chat, man. I need some more bearish trolls. So if there's any of you out there, don't be shy. Come in the chat. I want you in here trolling bearishly, okay? Because that's how I stay bullish. If everyone's bullish in the chat, that makes me a little bearish, at the same point. Roddy said, I will be good. I told B-Water I would teach them recognize the cycle bottom. Hey, Roddy, there you go, man. There you go. It's a lot of the same things. I mean, dude, everything we've looked at is it goes to show. I mean, listen, this is not just because we're getting the pump right now. This is something we've been talking about for a long time now, right? Everything we looked at. Weekly RSI bottomed out. Its bottom's been in the past. Pi cycle bottom crossed. That's been the bottom of the past. Hash ribbons buy signal. That's been the bottom in the past. Bottom of the logarithm regression curve. That's been the bottom in the past. 300-week moving average. Bitcoin's never been below that in its history. Went down to it at 18,200. Listen, these are not things you're making up. These are just things on the chart, right? So let's continue. As the weeks go by, Let's see what happens, right? Let's let the chart play out. I'm in agreement, but we got to let the chart play out, Bitcoin sucks by hex. Bitcoin sucks by hex, man. By hex. No, I don't think anyone wants to do that, man, to be honest. I don't think anyone wants to do that. Let's see Ethereum. What else do we got? Any other alts going nuts? Let me know if there's any Let me know if there's any other alts you guys want to look at here in the short term. I mean, I guess there's a few. Let me see you guys are saying in the chat. Marty, appreciate the super chat, man. And then Psycho Pearl. Alluvium. Let's do Alluvium for Psycho Pearl. Psycho Pearl's absolute homie, man. He's in here every day rocking it. Rocking it, man. Look at Alluvium. Come on, bro. Give me Alluvium, man. Come on. Come on, man. Alluvium with a nice pump up. No, that's an awesome pump, man. That's an awesome pump. You gotta love it. Let's just do a quick fib to see some levels that we could look at here. This one's still got some room. I think, obviously, look at the daily RSI. It's getting a little up there. So it could be in due for a pullback. Obviously, because, I mean, it's gonna have a pullback at some point. Let me check the 4-hour time frame real quick and see what we got cooking. 4-hour actually, I mean, yeah, 4-hour probably needs a pullback here. It's pretty shot. You got a big wick. You got rejected right back down. This one probably needs to pull back just slightly. I wouldn't say it needs to pull back anything crazy, right? I always look at, okay, if you got a big pump, you pull back. I like to come back to, at least half of the bottom of the vector candle, that I'm looking at right here. So I would say, retrace down to like 69 cents and just sort of a little maybe just flag it out here, over the course of of maybe a day or two, and sort of we continue the ride up as long as Bitcoin stays good. Right? I don't see the reason why this one needs to pull back too far. Just need to reset the RSI a little bit. Right? Obviously, prices move up. RSI is the RSI. I mean, it is what it is. But Alluvium, that looks freaking nice, man. That was looking nice. And you're starting to get to this point where, some of these charts, and like this one, I mean, you got so much shit to work with here. There's just so much resistance and stuff looking left. I would say the 0.5 retracement at 88.64 is probably the next level after this one retraces a little bit. But this one's pretty freaking nice, man. Pretty freaking nice. I like that one a lot. Come on, BTC. Come on, Asia. Pump it up, boy. Pump it up. I wouldn't touch Hex of the 10 football. No, I don't think there's anything wrong with Hex. I think people like the FUD Hex too. I think, I don't think there's anything wrong with Hex really. I think that's a little bit of FUD. People will FOMO into the Hex pump again, then the cycle repeats. I mean, you could say that to be fair, right? To be fair, you could say that about any crypto, right? It pumps and it dumps. You can say that about any crypto. Literally, you can even say that about Bitcoin, right? It pumps and it dumps. Cycle repeats. You know what I mean? And that's really that's really the case. It's any crypto pumps and dumps, and that's why it's like, okay, everyone likes to call really anything a pump and dump, and it's like that's crypto. Hell, Hex fans are kind of slow. That's what they say about Cardano fans too. You know what I mean? That's what they say about Cardano fans. All right, we're kind of waiting. We're still kind of waiting on BTC here. A lot of it's the same shit. I mean, here's the big test, guys. Here's the big test. And we sort of sit right here. Bitcoin's got a Kool-Aid guy through this bear market resistance band, right? It's got to take this bear market resistance band and go like this. Boom! I'm the Kool-Aid man, bitch! You want to mess with me? You want to mess with me? Bro, you're not the Kool-Aid man. You're naked. You're not. Get it. John with the periods. No, all right. So Bitcoin needs the Kool-Aid man through this bear market resistance band, because that's obviously the big level we got to get back above. All right. So let's see, right? I mean, obviously, where has Bitcoin started the major rallies? It's been when it gets above this. And to be fair, it's just testing it now, right? It's just getting a little test, right? It's taking a little sample out of it at the moment, and we sort of wait. But still, I mean, to me, nothing has changed, man. Nothing has changed. We're getting ready for a big move, and I look at the weekly time frame, and I look at it very simply. I look at Bitcoin sitting at major resistance looking left, right? Bitcoin has lower lows on the price, higher lows on the RSI, bullish divergence. It's forming a beautiful W formation here, but now's the big test. Now is the biggest test of them all. Can we get through this bad boy? Obviously, time will tell. Time will tell. I think it eventually does. It's just a matter of how much time does it take to get back above it. I was slightly uncomfortable. Nice, dude. BTC on the 15-minute. Yeah, BTC on the 15 minutes kind of trolling here. It's trolling up here at the moment. Let's see. Kool-Aid man. Listen, I don't think that was actually the Kool-Aid man. You know what I mean? And guys, can I troll a little bit more? I feel like trolling a little bit more today. Okay?
Rant alert.
For all you guys in the back, I thought Ethereum was dead. No? Guys, again, I mean, every single time Ethereum gets a pullback, it's dead. Hello? Ethereum haters? Ethereum haters? Hello? 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 Ethereum went to proof the stake. It's gonna die. Ethereum's a piece of shit. Oh, man. Keep lying to yourself, man. Keep lying to yourself. Holy moly, keep lying to yourself, man. Yeah, just keep doing it. I will continue to say the same damn thing. Ethereum to me is the crypto with the best risk reward ratio in the market, where it can give you really nice gains but also be relatively less risky than the other altcoins. All right, take it for what it is. I will do it all. But holy moly, if you're calling ETH, if you are calling ETH dead, you are an idiot. And I'm not trying to say this like this. I'm not trying to be like this. All right. You are literally so low IQ if you think Ethereum's dead. You are a low IQ idiot, and that's why you're going to remain poor, okay? I've been in crypto for 2 years, okay? I know what I'm talking about. You're literally an idiot, you're low IQ, and that's why you deserve what you have. We're not going to go there, but you know what it is. Mr. Miles, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. It never stops. It's like Ethereum's dead, and then it's not. Hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see. What's going on, Road Dog? Good to see you, man. All right. So what else we got? We're really waiting on Bitcoin to get its next move right now, man. I mean, that's sort of the case in point. We got the daily close coming up in a half hour, and we also got some opens coming up in a half hour. So. Just to kind of, we can go over some other alts and stuff. If we go over the stock markets, they did pull back a little bit today. Obviously, there's some bad earnings out for Microsoft, for Google, for Meta, Facebook, whatever the frick you want to call that piece of shit. It pumped and it dumped today. You guys probably saw the chart. We can pull it up right here just for fun, I guess. Let's see. Let's pull up the Facebook chart just for fun. Why not? Let's see. Facebook. Let's see what we got going on, man. It's not going to show it. Man, I need the... Shit, man. I don't have the after hours chart. But it pumped and it freaking dumped, man. So, the stock, NASDAQ was down a good amount today. NASDAQ was down about 2%. But Bitcoin didn't care today. And that's why sometimes you're uncorrelated. Like, remember all those days? Do you remember all those days, okay, where, Bitcoin started to, it really didn't do it. Like the stock markets were moving up and Bitcoin just wasn't do shit. Well, now we're starting to catch up a little bit, which is good, right? Let's go over to the S&P futures right now. S&P futures are coming back up. So kind of like we said yesterday, I think it was kind of an overreaction to the earnings that were out yesterday. It is what it is. S&P futures trying to come back up today, and obviously we could take a look at the euros trying to come back up, and the DXY wants to just continue to the downside. So all in all, I think the outside factor stuff looks good right now. For now, that could change in a snap. That could change in an instant, especially when we got this chick who's putting a spell on us, where she thinks that there's going to be a big move on October 28th. Oh my lord, she better not put that spell on us, man. She better not come out here. Bitcoin's trying to rally, and she puts the spell, and Bitcoin insta-dumps back down. She better not do this, man. So, we'll see. But no, in all reality, I mean, things look okay right now, but you know how the sentiment can switch in absolute 2 seconds, man, right? 2 seconds. So that's sort of the case in point. Bitcoin's kind of just chilling up here. Waiting for this daily close today, which is really, really nice. Really, really nice. John gifted one membership. What's going on, John? John coming in gifting the membership. Who won? Nuts Flush. No, Nuts Flush won. You gotta love it, man. That's awesome. That's awesome, John. Holy moly, bro. How is it proof of stake free money printing? Facts. Snowboard said, got paid. When BTC 25K? Hey, man, 25K is, it doesn't seem that far away, but it's pretty far away, right? It seems like it's very, very far away. Very far, far away. My target's 21.7. I think anything after that is gravy at this point, but, it's 25K is very, very far away. Maybe it's not, though, right? Maybe it's not. And that's why, I've been preaching, buy in support spot, okay? Because I was expecting to move up, and everything that goes up here is gravy, man. Just make sure you take profits along the way, Do not be afraid to take profits along the way for the short term, whatever you did. Maybe the long down here, whether you bought spot down here for short term swings, whatever you're gonna do, don't be afraid to the TP a little bit. As always, I can't get that tweet out of my head, man, dude. Don't get me wrong. I bought ETH because people are stupid and will hype ETH until it will be like our current money. You're not wrong. You're definitely not wrong. All right, so that's kind of the deal. I mean, right now, guys, this is sort of. I mean, if you took the short up here from 21K, that was a good area to short, right? That was the 0.618 Fibonacci. That was a good short area. You kind of caught that. I think right now is kind of a no trade zone at the moment as far as shorts and longs. I think right now you're kind of just, you could short from this range. But I think the smarter move is up here when you hit that 618. Right now is kind of a no trade zone in my opinion. I think right now is sort of just chilling if you are in like short-term trades. Maybe there's some altcoins you could do. But as far as BTC, I think it's kind of just chilling and figuring out what it wants to do next. I think, obviously, right here's a big resistance, it's bearish divergence. You got to think based off the charts. It's gonna get a pullback. But as always, Bitcoin's gonna do what it wants to do. So for me, this is I ain't touching this shit at the moment. Please draw the triangle that's forming on the Bitcoin 15-minute. Let's do it. The triangle that's forming on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, let's do it, man. Let's do it. I mean, we talking like this? We talking like this and like this? This is what we're doing here? I don't know if this is enough on the support level, but hey, I guess we could watch it. Why not? Up, down, up, down. I mean, there's only really 2 touches on both sides. You can argue, but hey, let's freaking get busy and let's watch it. I don't know. Let's watch it. Why not? Let's see. Trading euros at Kennedy? Nice, dude. This is what you call a diamond board, said Alan. Oh, Lord. Let's see. Diamond pattern. diamond pattern on this bad boy. It could be. Yeah, I could definitely see that case. The thing for the diamond pattern though is it just doesn't have any price action forming over here, you know? And I think it's a little bit too much for a diamond to make that case. I guess you could make that case. I mean, if you really wanted to, like this, you definitely could make that case. It actually kind of makes sense. to be fair, whoever pointed that out, that was actually really nice. You could make that case. There's a diamond pattern forming here to come back down. You know? So we'll watch it. Whether you think it's a diamond or whether you think it's a little bit of a symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to do. You do you. Either way, we'll freaking watch it, man. You know? We'll freaking watch it. All right. What else we got going? Any other link to slinks coming out? Looks like SHIB. The Shibanichis. What I've noticed is SHIB always follows Doge. Okay? I mean, Bob should tell us about this. All right? Bob, what do you think, buddy? What do you think, Bob? Bobby boy, where are you, man?
Hey, man, I'll tell you about Doge and Shiba. All right, so Doge pumped today. Whenever Doge pumps, Shiba's next. And vice versa. Whenever Shiba pumps, Doge is next. All right, so get ready for the massive Shiba pump. It's coming. All right? Now, you guys do what you want to do. I love Shiba. I'm a Shiba maxi. I don't really like Doge. All right? But I'm expecting a massive Shiba pump. It's coming. All right? We're going to erase the zero. We're finally going to erase the zero from SHIB. All right? I'm telling you. It's coming.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you for the TA. No, but SHIB got a nice breakout, too. I mean, the chart is very reminiscent of Doge, actually. When it got this breakout, and then it moved above the 50-day, and it got a nice move up, and, it's very, very similar to the Doge chart. Very, very similar to the Doge chart. So, we'll see what happens with SHIB. I like where SHIB is, and I like this risk versus reward area, right? It's just support all throughout this region. And you got the breakout. I like SHIB. I actually like the SHIB chart. This is coming from me. I actually like the SHIB chart, man. The SHIB chart is not a piece of SHIB, okay? It is a factual piece of... Let's see. I trust you, bro, Bob. Nice, you should. In all seriousness, though, I actually do like the SHIB chart. Let's see. Is Doge doing anything yet? Doge is still just chilling. Elon wants to pump Doge. Let's see what else we got. Anything else moving? Everything else is kind of flat today. It's really the Bitcoin and ETH show. And in reality, what is it? It's the ETH show, man. It's the ETH show. All the ETH haters taking an L. Love it. I 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 love it, man. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Let me actually check out. We haven't checked this out in a while. Let me check out ETH BTC. We haven't looked at this in quite a bit. Look at... Oh, my Lord. You can't count out ETH BTC, man. Can't count out ETH BTC. Where's ETH BTC since the bear market started? Let's see. April. Let's see. November. It's pretty much flat. Wait, see, November 10th. November 10th was right here. That's where Bitcoin topped. Was right here. All right, so Ethereum has outpaced Bitcoin through the bear market. You gotta love this shit, man. You gotta love this shit. Wow. When Bitcoin dominates 70%, let me know. I can't hear you in the back. So ETH has outpaced Bitcoin in the bear market. You gotta love this shit, man. You can't make this shit up. When Bitcoin dominates 70%, it ain't now. That's for damn sure. This looks bullish as hell. No, but in all seriousness, I mean, this was just a major point to get a bounce from on ETH versus BTC. And there it goes, right? There it goes. And I would not be shocked, just looking at this chart right here, I would not be shocked if this eventually makes its way back up to test the highs again. Back up to this region. Would not be surprised at all. This doesn't look like it wants to slow down here. This looks like it's poofing. It's poofing to the upside, bro. Right? Phantom. Let's see. Get better. I'm up 30K from CSPR. Not in the bear market. It's been one day. Wait, what do you mean in the bear market? Bro, this is the daily chart, bro. This was when Bitcoin topped. Okay, right over here back on November 10th. And this is where the price is now. So ETH in the bear market has outpaced Bitcoin by 8%. So for what is deemed as Bitcoin is safer, doesn't really seem that way. I don't know. It's almost funny. It's almost like there's something brewing. And this is in the bear market. Just wait till the next bull market, man. Holy Lord. The Dobo chart? I mean, we could check out the Dobo chart. What is it, Doge Bonk? I'm sure all the Doge charts are going nuts. Doge Bonk. Doge Bonk's not on here, man. Let me see. Where's the Doge Bonk chart, bro? Let me know. Let's see. Doge Bonk. I'm sure that all these little things are going nuts. Let me see Dobo. Type it in Dobo. Doge Bonk. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got on Doge Bonk. It's only up 6%. Since 10. Let me see. The daily. It's not up a lot. Come on. Come on, man. Who's buying this, bro? It has a $4 million market cap. One whale could come in there and just pump the shit out of this thing. Holy Lord. Doge Bonk. Look at all the zeros, man. Bob would love this thing. He would love that bad boy, let me tell you. Let's see. Microcaps go up even higher in the percentages because they're even bigger pieces of crap. Wayne, I love when Wayne comes in. That's the best. Let's see. Let's see. Bobby said, bro, got people think it's a bull. No, babe. Are you serious? Are you serious, Bobby? Do you even watch the stream? Say consistently, this is not going to be a massive move. My target's 21.7. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Don't get carried away, man. Don't get carried away. Got people thinking it's a bull cycle. Come on, man. Get out of here. I have Drew's retirement in Dobo. Oh, Lord. This time with some attention. I have Drew's retirement in Dobo. BitConnect is the future. Holy Lord. All right, BTC still chilling at the highs. Ethereum still chilling over here. The central bank is printing free money, and that's the same for ETH. Only one entity can. True. True, true, true. Crypto Wolf, who you fight with in chat, man? Who you fight with in chat? You know what's funny right now? Like, guys, all I've seen right now, and this, I guess this is sort of the funny thing right now. Okay? I'm not sold on this pump, but I don't think anyone is. Right? Is anyone actually sold on this move up? Right? To be a significant move. Is anyone sold? Let me know in the chat. Is anyone sold? Is anyone sold on this move up for BTC? I don't think anyone is. I think everyone is just freaking tutuk. Right? Everyone just thinks this is a fake rally. Including myself. You know? I think it is. You know? Or not the real rally everyone's waiting for. And that's what kind of makes me a little bit bullish, man, because the herd, what do we keep saying? Do the opposite of the herd. No one thinks this is a real rally. That kind of makes me a little bit... Listen, I know I'm going to get a lot of hate for this, just like I did a couple weeks ago when I was bullish and everyone was bearish. That kind of makes me a little bit bullish, man. Let me see. Let me see if what you guys are saying in the chat. Let's see. I sold bear market over DXY crashed. Let's freaking do it, man. I sold everything. No. Until DXY hits 102, yes, I am. No, but that's why I can keep going. Pump fake. No, not real. Bart Simpson. No. Not short term, but I think the bottom is in. My opinion doesn't matter. You'll just ignore me. That's sad, man. Fake pump. No one is. That's why it's dangerous. I sold my Bitcoin. Damn, man. Everyone's not sold. And that's what kind of makes me think this is going to continue up. You know what I mean? Do the opposite of the herd, man. That's kind of going to be my mantra going forward. Fate loves irony. DXY continue to dump. Yeah, dude, it's all about the DXY, right? Bitcoin can look whatever. Look at the DXY, man. This thing broke a serious downtrend, has formed the first M formation in this whole bear market on a massive time frame. We're not talking about the 1 hour time frame. We're talking about on the daily time frame. And the euro broke out for the first time in this whole bear market. It's another reason why I think this could be the start of you know, a gradual move to the upside, you know? So once again, just like we said 2 weeks ago, let's see where we are in 2 weeks. All right? And then we can say whatever we want to say, you know? So let the charts play out. Charts, right? At least for now, show a downtrend on the euro, break into the upside, break a trend, which show break a trend for the DXY. What happens when that happens? Risk assets go up. For all we know, there could be something that happens and this just pops right back up. But you got to go with what you're given, right? And what we're given right now is a break a trend on the DXY, a M formation breaking down on the DXY, and euro breaking to the upside, which means that risk assets should go up. That's it. That's it. That's really all there is, right? Everything else is noise. But nah, we like noise, I guess. We like noise. You know why we like noise? You know why we like noise? Tell me why we like noise, man. Why do we like noise? Because right now there's a lot of warning shots fired right now. And we get busy, man. I'm going to get rid of this diamond pattern. You know what? You know why I'm going to get rid of this diamond pattern? Because this wasn't my idea, first of all. And second of all, I don't really believe in it, to be honest. So I'm going to get rid of this. It was for show. It was all for fun. And we're going to get rid of that. So that's good. Let's see. It's real cause effect, but it's nice people getting crazy. DXY just cooling down. I don't think it's over. We'll see, man. If it's just a cool down, it's just a cool down. And we'll find out. No one knows right now. It's all a guess, right? Everyone just said it's cooling down because everyone listens to the news. That's all it is. You guys actually know what's happening? Yeah. You don't. You know what I mean? It's just what people tell you. It's what the news tells you, man. They're going to feed you whatever they want it to feed you. Wendy O says Jordan's hairline is more receded than hers. Pfft, nice, dude. I hope so. That would be embarrassing for her. And let me tell you. Bitcoin's a scam, says the Bank of Canada. Nice, man. Bear market not going anywhere, 100%. We shall see. My theory is simple as this. If it was going to go lower, it would have by now. I'm bullish that we're at the bottom. That's not necessarily true. I agree with your sentiment, but that's not necessarily true. You can go sideways for a year and still go lower. You know? Bitcoin's done that in the past. Let's look at ACH for Jesus. ACH. ACH. Bad news gets more views? Yeah, right now. If you're bearish, you get more views right now. Why? Because that's what people want to hear. Because most people sold. And they want prices to go lower. If you're bearish, you get more views at the moment. It's facts. It's literally facts. If you're bullish, you get more trolls. And you get, that's basically what you get. You know? It is what it is. But anyways. ACH. What do we got going on? I mean, you got a nice pump. See, this one, it seems to get these little pumps and then kind of just dies off. Right? I guess you could say with the rest of the crypto market, it's just a matter of when is this going to be the real one, man? Is this going to be the real one? Could be. But you got to respect trend until it's not there. You got to respect resistance until it's not there, right? get a wick, obviously wicked above, but then the second wick got rejected there, this got rejected there, this got rejected there, and you came back up. So you got to respect it until it's not there. We go some of the shorter term time frames on this one. Man, I mean, it's got a nice pump. I'm sure you just want the pump song because you know what I'm going to say. This is a take profit zone. This is not you go long here, okay? You know what I'm going to say. You're just setting me up for the pump song. Here you go, man. Congratulations. Woohoo! Woohoo! Here we go. Don't wanna party. There you go, man. In all seriousness, I mean, every pump has got instant sold off for this ACH. So this is a take profit zone, man. Don't be holding this for the moon, unless it's a longer term hold. You know, shorter term hold TP. This might, I mean, it could spike up to this resistance line here, but I doubt it. I doubt it. I mean, 4-hour RSI is already cooked. This thing's probably going to come right back down to earth, as it seems that's been the case this whole time. You know. So we got 7 minutes into the daily close, man. 7 minutes. Graham will be asking how to buy Bitcoin soon. I mean, that could be. It's still a while. Still a long time, actually, until Grandma wants to ask how to buy Bitcoin. A very, very long time, you know? Let's see. Hold on. Where's my grandma girl? Here she is.
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
I'm so proud of myself for doing that little accent, like the grandma accent. If I would call it an accent, the grandma accent.
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
So proud of myself, man. I'm so proud of myself. And listen, you guys could have me rant about, you know, all this shit and all this stuff. I don't feel like doing it today. I don't. I've done it every single day. If you haven't got it in your mind at this point, well, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't feel like ranting about all the longer term charts. I mean, we've talked about these every single day for months. Holy Lord, man. Holy Lord. Holy freaking Lordy. You know, right now, I think, you know, we're seeing to see if Bitcoin can break the 618 Fibonacci. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, man. I'm drained of talking about the longer term charts. You know, at this point, it's a lot of the same shit. It's like, you know, every indicator that I've ever looked at in the past shows the same thing. Shows the same thing. And what do we always like to say? When Bitcoin gets to a low point, it's never gonna be rainbows and sunshines, folks. It's never gonna be, oh, we hit the bottom. Let's all buy and let's all go in a circle and go, we all bought, we all bought, bull market starts, bull market starts, we all bought, we love each other, No. It's not gonna be, you're not gonna be going around a circle and like freaking, I don't even know, and going nuts. That's not what you're gonna be doing, man. You're gonna be fighting each other. You're gonna be cutthroat. You're gonna be trolling everything, right? It's not like this little dance party that happens, you know? You literally just, it's months of just boringness and pumps that just to come back down to the lows, just to hold again, to go back up, to get back down again. Months of it. Months. So that's where we're at. And we're gonna let's let the charts do the talking from here on out. All right? With a little trolling here and there. If we go back down, hey, you guys can troll a little bit. Why not? Let's see. Imagine thinking the markets. Oh Lord. Let's see. Damn, you people bore easily. Bitcoin's been going sideways for like, let's see. Bitcoin's been going sideways for like 6 hours. People are bored. Oh Lord, have we not forgot what the market was like for like, I don't know, a month straight? Holy Lord, man. No fractal magic? Oh, no. We're not doing any of that fractal magic, man. Now, the one fractal that I know you guys are talking about, which is this fractal over here, right? Which is the S&P fractal from 2008, is right here, okay? So for all you fractal magic people, okay, which, you know, sometimes I like fractals too, but I will say this. The good thing is,
Rant alert.
not one of my fractals has ever played out. So, time says that this one won't play out either. But if you guys like some fractals and, you know, you guys are a bear and you need to jerk off a little bit, because it's been a few days since you can jerk off, here you go. Here you go, right? Are we going to continue to follow the same structure on the S&P? Where we got that last little pump up, this is where it deviates. This is the real question. Will this deviate? Because if this gets topped out right here and starts coming back down, that's going to continue to look awfully familiar. If this continues up, that's when we deviate, and that's when we can say, okay, that was ridiculous. You know? But right now, you're kind of at that point. I don't think this is going to happen. This is for all the bears that want to jerk off a little bit. There you go. You know? There you go. There you go. We'll see if this plays out. You would be expecting a dump, you know, going into next week if that's the case. You know, so we'll continue to let it play out. Let's see, bro. Can I see the bull market support band? Bull market support band. Looked at it earlier, man. It's right here. Your Bitcoin's right at the bottom of it right now. The daily routine. Oh man. Give me my effing Lambo. B Money said, put it away. I pulled it out just for you. You know? Please throw it in the trash so it can't happen. Because here's the thing, guys. If we throw it in the trash before it actually starts to deviate, that's like anti-voodoo. And then it probably plays out. Right? That's anti-voodoo and it probably plays out. So we don't want to throw it in the trash before it deviates. We want to let it play out, let it deviate, and then promptly have our routine and our song where we take the fractal and then we throw it in the trash, right? So that is that, my friends. Bitcoin's still just chilling. It's doing its best interpretation. It did this last night. You guys remember this last night? Something tells me I'm going to wake up to a higher price for Bitcoin tomorrow. Something tells me I'm going to wake up to a pump because it was the same thing last night, right? What happened last night, guys?
Rant alert.
What happened last night? Bitcoin came up to a massive resistance level, right? 20,400. It sort of stayed over here. It looked like it was making an M formation. It looked like it was going to pull back from that region. But guess what, man? Guess freaking what? Asia said...
Nope.
Oh, there we go. Asia said no, and they pumped it back up. So here we are again, right? RSIs have cooled off. It looks like Bitcoin's forming an M formation again. Is Asia going to say
Nope.
again tonight? Something tells me I'm going to wake up. You guys are making jokes now. Oh, Lord. Jordan's going to wake up to a pump. Oh, Lord. You guys killing me, man. I'm going to chill in the chat. Jordan going to wake up to a pump. Listen, I always wake up to a pump because I got all the, what's it called? What's it freaking called? I don't even know what it's called. Cancel M patterns. But hey, who am I to say, right? You got the S&P that looks like it wants to come up, well, at least at the moment, right? S&P futures are coming up. DXY looks like it wants to come down. I wouldn't be surprised if we wake up to another pump for Bitcoin tomorrow. Would not be surprised, even though it's at the 618 retracement. You know, that's the sort of case and deal. That's the case and deal. What do you guys think about the FOMC meeting this week, by the way, guys? Let's have a little discussion. What do we think about the FOMC meeting next week, right? Comes up on Tuesday. What do you think is going to happen? Now, I read something today that the U.S. Fed has, right, so Canada had its Fed meeting, and they raised rates by 50%, or sorry, by 50 basis points. I think it was today, actually, right? Now, if you go back to the previous months, I read something today that the U.S. Fed's meetings are always after Canada's, and they seem to always do the same that Canada does. Okay? Now, this might be a little bit of hopium, okay? But the U.S. seems to always do the same thing Canada does. They could be working in tandem, who knows? But Canada did 50 basis points when people were expecting 75. Right? So, what's going to happen next week? We'll find out. We'll find out. But I know one thing. The Bank of Canada guy right now is balling right now. Bank of Canada guy, shout out to you, man. Here he is.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Exactly, Bank of Canada guy. So, might be a little hopium. The good thing is, if it's 75, it's not going to affect the markets at all. We've already been expecting that. Like, the market already expects that. It's like 95%. But if they come out with 50, just wait. Bank of Canada. Rodney, you're killing me in the chat, man. Rodney's king troll. Rodney, I can't believe, Rodney, I know you've been accumulating, man. Listen, Rodney gets it. I get Rodney in the chat. I can't wait till, Rodney, let's freaking go, man. Because I know you've been down here. I know you've been putting in the work. Come on, Rodney. Rodney is going to be here. He's going to be here for this. I can't say the same about everyone else. Rodney's going to be here. Oh, Lord. End stream so I can pee, boss? We ain't in the stream so we can pee. You got no shot, man. No shot. Done went up one time. Let's see what we got. So Bitcoin closed at a measly 20,784. So good close, right? I mean, just a full daily close and open above the triangle resistance that, every bear was jerking off to. At this point, I think it's fair to say that this broke to the upside. Not only did you get a close back above, right? Right? Not only did you get a close back above, but also, right, you got a full daily close. So I think at this point, the bears kind of lost the hope for this descending triangle to play out like 2018. Obviously, a pattern's a pattern until it's not. It could just roll over here and go back down. But you did break this to the upside. So the good thing is here, we don't have to talk about this anymore, which is really the old little juiciness. The old little juiciness. We don't have to talk about the stupid descending triangle anymore. It's like hallelujah. Now we can find some other pattern to talk about. Puff puff pass. Let's see. Let's see. Done went up. Let's do it, Rodney. I got you, man. Rodney, I'm down. Let's go. We can get a squad over there. I'd be down to go to Vegas again in 2023. I'd be so down. So down for that. Doge just no chill. What's Doge doing? What's Doge doing right now? Let's see. Doji. The little Doji. The little Doji. What's Doji doing? Went up to 7.4 cents. Hell yeah. Come on, Doji. Come on.
Guys, I told you, dog coins are the future. All right, I told you to invest in Doge at the lows. I told you guys. I am so smart. All right, I told you guys this. Wait, what's that noise upstairs? What's that noise? Hello? Hello? What's that noise I hear? Oh, yeah. Wait. You like my pecker? You like my pecker? Can Bob hear us? Can Bob hear us? No, he can't. Okay, I don't care if he can hear us because he's poor and he lives in the basement. I don't care if he hears us. Bob's poor. I'm rich. You like my rich pecker? You like my rich pecker, bitch? You like that? Yeah, this is what happens when you're rich and you buy the Lowe's. This is what happens. That's what happens, man. Oh, Lord. Becker the Pecker coming in hot. Wes, audio, they are getting nice artist collabs. They are getting nice artist collabs. Yeah, well, check out audio. Let's see audio, man. I mean, I love audio. You know that. It's one of the lower ones I hold, and I do believe in that because music needs a way to be monetized better. Okay? It's not the easiest. People get music for free nowadays, right? And that could be a way to do it. So Audius, let's see. Let's zoom out to the daily time frame here. Levels to watch on ETH. Either from your mom said Becker is so effing hot. The clown Becker, man. All right. Jordan, pull out the Wall Street cheat sheet. What do you think? We'll check it out, T. All right, so audience, what do we got going on? I mean, really, look where it came back down to. It came back down to this level that we had marked off there in 19.5, which is really, really nice. And you know, this one dropped significantly lower. The lower cap ones had like this little second leg down, and that's why, you know, when you look at the Cadena chart, you look at Gala, you look at audio, right? Some of these lower cap ones did go down a little bit lower, and it did offer another little extra little lower price, which is really, really nice. I mean, we look at Audius now. It's got a nice W. It's got a nice W formation at the lows here, right? And it was really a lower low, and it was a higher low at the lows. Bullish divergence. You get the W formation forming here. I don't see why. Okay, and we'll kind of regurgitate this. Regurgitate that I don't see why this can't go up to the 50 EMA, back up to 21 cents. I don't see why it can't do that. Not at all. Not at all. So we'll continue to do this. We'll continue to look at this, but at least for the short term, I'm looking at the 50 EMA there. Go everyone in this chat. Warwick, what are you talking about, man? Shout out to Warwick, man. He lives in Warwick, which is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's pretty close to where I was born, actually. So that's pretty cool, my man. Shout out to you. Shout out to you, my friend. But I mean, overall, I mean, it's gonna look like a lower cap alt chart, you know, where it's gonna. I mean, it's kind of just in this little bigger channel, you know, lows to lows to lows to highs to highs to highs. You know, and if the channel's gonna play out like it has, I mean, we expect it to move up. You know, could that mean Bitcoin's gonna move up? We'll see. We'll see. Which I generally think Bitcoin's gonna go higher here. So here comes Bob on his bike. Bob's traumatized right now. Bob is literally traumatized, guys. You don't want to see Bob. You don't want to see Bob. What's ETH doing? Come on, ETH. Stop trolling here. Stop trolling. It's going to be exactly like last night. I mean, let's go. Warwick, let's freaking go, man. Bathwater said, Larks looks like he's going to throw soup and glue himself to something. What's that even mean? Throw soup and glue himself to something? Holy Lord. Come on, ETH. Go get Jabba. No! So close to getting liquidated. I'm so effed. I need more money. Mom, can I borrow some money? Please? Please? Yeah, I need to up my liquidation price. Please? Oh, thank you. I can have $10. Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Okay, my liquidation's going up. Okay, there we go. 1994. There it is. All right, guys. I'll see you later. All right. Jabba just got $10 from up, and you know, his liquidation price is now $15.94. So we have a little bit more. He's got a little bit more leeway to work with here. You know,
No moves, no booze, no booze, no booze, no booze. Man, look at this chart for BTC though. So let's just look at this chart over here. Looks nice, doesn't it? It looks nice, and we were consistently saying at the lows, man, Bitcoin's gonna come take this vector candle right here. It was not gonna leave all these shorts that went short right here in this massive drop just to sit there. It was not gonna do it, man. It was not going to freaking do it. And that's why $1 billion worth of shorts got liquidated today. Which, rest in peace. Rest in peace if one of them was you. Let's use stop losses next time and we'll move on to the next one, But, I still think this comes up to 21.7. And we sort of marvel at the greatness of the swords and shields, where we will take back some of our land. Our goats are simply sitting up here, guys. So if we want our goats back, we must go to 21.7. And I do believe, for all my Vikings out there, that Bitcoin will go to 21,700. We will go back up there and we will take our goats, because they are ours from the bears. They've had their day. Now it's time to push them back and make them all salty and make them think it's a bull market, and then we will short on them. All right. Oh, it's so evil. So evil. Let's see. We are pumping, so it's going to be hawkish? Could be. It could be. All right, what do we got? Anything moving up right now? In a good way? XRP. XRP. What are you going to do with XRP, man? XRP is building some steam up here. Look at XRP. XRP could be the next one, man. XRP building some steam. Obviously, what we got to be careful here for XRP is we got to be careful with the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder here if this comes back up. But in the meantime, XRP, I don't see why I can't come up to 51 cents. Which is a decent move there. So let's freaking get busy. For all the XRPers out there, which I know there's a lot of you XRPers out there, there are some serious warning shots fired going right now.
Warning shots fired.
Some serious warning shots fired. Got to be careful up here at the highs. But nonetheless, the good thing here for XRP is it looks like it's trying to sort of invalidate that M formation, right? It got rejected at the neckline and is now trying to come back up. So that's the good news for XRP at the moment. We'll see where it ends up, though. Let's see Bitcoin, 20,810. Theta's moving up. Let's check out Theta. I know Theta was a hot ticket on Twitter today. Theta was, everyone was talking about Theta. Theta. Let's see. I can understand why, man. I mean, that was a nice risk versus reward down here. I mean, it came down to the lows. Literally that low wick. Came back to the low wick. And look at that move right off the low wick, man. Look at that move right off the low wick. You gotta love it, man. It's like I posted this over here on this chart. This right here. And this is sort of memeing. When was everyone the most bearish? On this wick right here, man. You see this wick? This was October 10th, the week of October 10th. Theta, October 10th was this wick right here. You gotta love it. But Theta, nice freaking movement. Hey, I gotta play the pump song for Theta. This thing just keeps rocking and rolling, bro. Come on. Kind of like this. This is pretty cool. Come on, let's watch the TV. Hold on. Wait for it. Ready? Oh! All right, so Theta's getting a nice move up. Where can we expect Theta to go to? All right, let's do a quick little Fibonacci. You must be a blast at nightclubs. Bro, I'm a blast in here. You should see my moves in here, bro. We got do dance parties in the damn apartment over here, man. We go nuts. Holy moly. I do more dance moves than any of y'all, okay? Including this one. All right, so what do we got? So, I mean, what do we always look for? We look for the 0.5 retracement. So 0.5 retracement at 131. That'd be my first target for theta. So let's not make it too crazy. That's my first target for theta there. Is 131 at the 0.5 retracement. The Fibonacci's, I will always say, even though everyone uses them, they're the most underrated tool in my opinion. Because what you'll notice is every single move goes up to one of these. Every single one. Or down to one of these, depending on which way you're looking. So I'm looking for 131 on theta. Dailies still has more room to run, and the 4-hour time frame is getting a little bit cooked, so you might not go up in a straight line, but overall, I enjoy the theta chart. I like crypto. As that guy in the chat said back in the day. That was the best. The guy just came in the chat. The guy literally just came in the chat and said, where was it? Hold on, where is he? Where's our creepy guy here? Here's our creepy guy. I like crypto. Yeah, I like crypto. Who else likes crypto? It's creepy when you go like this. Whoa, it's creepy. Whoa. Watch this. Watch how creepy it is when I put my head sideways. Oh my lord. I love crypto. But Theta's looking juicy. It is Mr. Bean. When you go sideways, it does look like Mr. Bean. Holy moly. 131. The Moon Boy Shuffle. The Moon Boy Shuffle's this. Actually, no, we need a new dance. We do need the Moon Boy Shuffle dance. Maybe we can do this. It's something like that's going to the moon. We can go. I don't know. I'm making shit up at this point. All right, come on, BTC. I got this feeling that Bitcoin's gonna just smack this resistance tonight. It's not. I don't think it's gonna be right now. I think it's gonna be in a little bit. It's gonna be the same as last night, where I go to sleep, Bitcoin. I wake up, Bitcoin broke resistance. That's sort of been the mantra here, right? That's because Asia likes to pump it, man. Asia likes to pump it. You know what it is. Looks like Becker when he's on top. Oh God, looks like Becker when he's on top of you. That's absolutely hideous. I like Sea Rocket. Hey, I like Sea Rocket too. I think I have like a $2 worth of Sea Rocket. Let's see. Mina W pattern on the daily. Mina W pattern on the daily. Let's check it out. I like crypto. Let's see. Mina W pattern on the daily. Yeah, dude. I mean, this is why I like the longer term charts. They all have the W formation, but people want to ignore it, man. It is what it is. People want to ignore the W formations, and you can do that. You can have fun with it. It is what it is. It's probably because you sold right here. It's okay. It's okay. You'll probably get another chance at some point. But here's the deal. Yeah, I mean, it is. It's the first hit, the rise, the second. You can't have a more cleaner. You can't not have a more cleaner chart than that. You can't. That's just clean. That's clean like a whistle. It is what it is. Now, obviously, we still got some stuff to work with. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Yeah, I like the weekly time frame, man. I like the little old weekly time frame. Why do I like the weekly time frame? Well, you got lower lows and you got higher lows on the weekly, right? You're getting a massive weekly bullish engulfing candle there off that. I like the W formation, and I like this to test the 20 EMA. I love it to test the 20 EMA at the very, very least. At the very, very least. Obviously, you can come back up here, get rejected, and then curl back down. But For now, I like the move up to the 20 EMA, which come in at 81 cents. Might not be today, might not be tomorrow, but this is on the weekly chart. But over the course of time, can't hate on that, man. Peter said, I assume that everyone that watches you sells the bottom. No, I'm just kidding. You guys know, you guys have been watching me for a while. You know I troll. But it's probably more people than you think, so it's okay. No vacation soon, right? No vacation soon. I got no vacation soon, which is bullish. I'm sort of kidding. That's not bullish. But we know that every time I go on vacation, we do dump. Every single time Jordan goes on vacation, we dump. Every single time. There hasn't been a time that it hasn't. Let's see, ETH. You guys didn't even tell me ETH was... You guys didn't even tell me that ETH was trying to come up again. Guys, you're supposed to be helping me here. You guys do anything for Halloween, by the way? I personally am not doing anything for Halloween. Okay? Now, Maj, you said there's like a fair or something for Halloween outside?
No, it's not a fair. It's a parade.
Okay, it's a parade. So maybe we'll go to the Halloween parade. But I won't be dressing up. I'll be dressing up as... You guys like the... I'll be dressing up as, I don't know. Who should I? Should I go as Becker? Should I get the hood? Then just put the hood on and just start telling all the moms that, a pecker with my... Get it with the pecker? Thanksgiving's coming? Yeah, dude. Thanksgiving, to me, I think that Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday. Why? I love turkey. I love stuffing. I love mashed potatoes. I love squash. I love... Really, give me anything. Besides beets. I don't like beets. But I do like beet soup. So, take that for what it is. I don't know if you guys care, but I do like beet soup. Bitcoin's still chilling. ETH's still chilling. It seems like alts are trying to do little something. XRP is coming up the most today so far, which is really, really nice. Let me check out. Let me go back to XRP, which seems to be rising the best right now. For little old the XRPers. You gotta love the XRPers, man. They are so loyal. Holy moly. They are so freaking loyal. I gotta give them some credit, man. Credit where credit is due. I hope that the XRP case gets settled before 2024, because if it gets settled in 2024, it's probably only gonna go up as much as the other altcoins, and you had to wait years. I'm just playing around. Am I really? No, I'm kind of being serious, but it's okay. But I hope XRP goes to the moon. Because if XRP goes to the moon, crypto's going to the moon. All right, so let's see. Right here, like I said, I don't see why XRP can't come back up to retest this region here at 50 cents. I don't see the reason for that. Nice. When are we going to 10K? Well, I don't have the meme, but hey, man, I don't know when we're going to 10K. I have no idea. Wes, I'm not going to say that in the chat. It's like, Wes is going to chill. He actually lost a lot of weight. I got to give him some credit, man. So you can't really make those jokes anymore. He lost a lot of weight, and that's really, really nice, man. It's really, really nice for him. You got to give people credit where credit is due, which is awesome. Right before we go to 7K, drunk bear. Right before we go to 7K. If I was a dude, jail, jumpsuit, SBF wig. Oh, the Sam Bankman-Fried. You can't afford food in the bear market. Doge short. Man, if you want to short Doge, by all means, go for it. This is an important resistance area. So I think now you kind of missed out, right? The time to short was when it went up close to the green box. Now you're kind of chasing the move, though. That's sort of the issue. But Doge had a 50% move up today. Whenever anything gets a 50% move, usually the next day is going to be a red day. Usually. Not always. Or at least you're going to get a retracement throughout the day, wick down, and then try to come back up. You're usually not just going to have a 50% day and then you just pump again. Usually. That's not usually not how it works. Sup, y'all? Time to buy XRP? I would have bought a couple days ago. You know, I would have bought a couple days ago back down here when I was at Sabor, but now, I mean, once again, you're kind of chasing the move. You're chasing the move. Don't chase the move. Don't chase the move. It's always that's the biggest issue I see most of the time is people try to chase the move, right? Market moves down, that's when you're looking for buys, right? Especially when you come to support. Market moves up, that's when you're looking to take profit or short. Don't chase the move, right? Don't watch the market come up and say, should I buy now? But by the time you're saying, should I buy now? That's exactly what the market makers want you to think. You know? Doesn't mean you can't just go to the moon and yeah, if that works for you, woohoo. But as we always like to say, every rally for Bitcoin's gotten rejected, right? So use that as sort of a parameter and go with it, right? And if Bitcoin does come back down here again, which you can't rule out, right? Back down to like 18.7, then thought of the way you thought up here, which you wanted to buy right here, okay? But if the price moves down again, guess what? You're probably not going to buy right here. You know, you got to flip that thinking, man. Where at this point, you got to decide if you want to FOMO in. I never recommend FOMOing, but if price does come back down, if you hold off and price comes back down, think of how you fell up here, right? And that's the biggest thing. That's the biggest thing. That's something I had to learn. It's like, you really want to buy up here, right? Woohoo! Oh my God, the market's going nuts. I didn't buy enough down at the lows. I want to get back in now so I can catch up. And that's when the market comes back down. And when the market comes back down, you don't want anything to do with it down here. Anything to do with it. But you want everything to do with it up here. You know? And that's the market. And that's why the market exists. The market exists because of fear and greed. Right? That's what it is. I like turtles. Nice bear guts. You like turtles too. I don't really have any opinion on turtles, to be honest. I have no opinions on turtles, to be fair. No opinions on turtles. I love dogs. Other than that, most animals are to me. Most animals are I don't love horses. I don't love cats. I don't love rabbits. I don't love guinea pigs. Okay? I like dogs. It's kind of like I like crypto. I like dogs, man. I have one. You guys want to see my dog? Here you go. Here's my dog. Everyone say hi to, his name is Shibach. Okay. Here he is. You guys want to see him? Come on, Shibach. Hop on the shoulder, man. Come on. Whoop. There he is. Here he is. Everyone say hi to Shibach. I love dogs, man. What can I say? Ferrets? I don't love ferrets. I don't love ferrets. I'm a cat person. Oh my God. I can't trust any man who's a cat person. I cannot trust a man who likes cats more than dogs. I can't. I cannot trust a man who likes cats over dogs. Why? Because cats don't love you. A cat will run away from you. A dog loves you. You know? A cat could give two flying F's about you. Whereas a dog builds a bond with you. And you have a bond with the dog. A cat, bro. If you gave it to someone else, they would not miss you for 2 seconds. As long as they had some food. You know? Holy Lord. Doge Bonk is cute. Thank you. Thank you. I love pigs for bacon. The Shib Army. The Shib Army. Oh, Lord. Jordan loves vegetables. My cat loves me. Interactive. Your cat probably loves you. But if I took your cat, he would love me just as much. Oh, Lord. Some cats bond with you too? Good. Cats will eat you when you die. No way. Oh, here we go. The cat people are getting pissed. Listen, just my opinion. Don't hate me. Don't hate me because I don't like cats, okay? It's not that I don't like cats. I think they're cute and stuff. But if I was to get one thing, exactly, Mr. Hart. Exactly. If I was to have a pick, I would take a dog all day. All day. Cat fun. Let's see. The cat belongs to the streets. Oh, Lord. Let's see. Cats actually have a personality. Dogs are too needy. I love the cat people getting pissed. Hey, listen. It's okay. We can all be friends. Hey, maybe at some point when I get a dog, we can have a little pet party, right? You guys can bring your cats. I'll bring my dog. We can all have fun together. We got a deal? We got a deal? I think we got a deal. Let's see. All right. Anyways, guys. Besides that, doesn't seem like, it seems like Bitcoin's going to do exactly what it did last night, which, I mean, it's doing the same thing. Will it play out the same way? We'll see. It's resetting these shorter term time frames, man. Just kind of moseying around, just like it did last night, right? Bitcoin last night moves up. You know, we end the stream. It's about like right here. It kind of moseys around for a little bit longer, right? Kind of tests the EMAs, and then it decides to kind of do its thing. Seems like it's kind of doing the same thing right now, right? It comes down, comes up, right? Kind of moseys around. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, overall, the stock market futures are coming up, which is really, really nice. Wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin just moseys around and tries for it again. Because we know Asia wants to send it, man. We know Asia wants to send it. Come on. Come on, Asia. Send it, boy. Send it for us. No, I think something like this happens. We'll see. We'll see. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, though. 9:45 a.m. Be there, and we'll see where Bitcoin ends up. For all you bears out there, beware. Because the Vikings will be back, and we're taking back our goats, and we're taking back our land. That is rightfully ours, okay? So you better get puckered up for... puckered up. You better get... We're going to go with it. You better get puckered up for 9:45. Because we will be here to take back our land. All right, guys. Later. Peace out. And we'll play a little pup song before we go to, you know, because maybe, you never know. Well, let's enjoy it while we can last. Later, guys. Peace. Now for the best dance in the world. Here we go. Oh, Lord. You troll to see another day? Oh, Lord. Breathe a peace. Interactive peace. Neil, peace. Peace. Neil said, shut up, Jordan. Later.